Hello dear children, welcome to our computer class. Children, in our today's computer class, we are going to study chapter 2 Windows 7. So let's start. First of all, let's understand about operating system. Children, do you know a computer is switched on, a software starts running to prepare the computer for use. One software is started when we start our computer. This software is called operating system, in short OS. So the short form of operating system is OS that you have to remember. Here you can see some examples of operating systems are given. First is Windows, then Linux and Mac OS. These all three types of operating system used by users as per their needed. But most important operating system and most popular operating system nowadays is Windows. Now let's understand what is Windows and what is Windows 7. Windows is an operating system that we have already know. Now it is developed by Microsoft. It is an IT company. It has GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Means in Windows 7 operating system, this system uses graphical images and all the work is done on mouse click. That's why it is called GUI. Some popular versions are Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. These all are the popular versions of Windows operating system. And here in this chapter we are going to study about Windows 7 operating system. Now the desktop. The first screen that is displayed after the computer has started is called the desktop. When we switch on our computer, all the processing done, and after the processing, when we see the first screen on the monitor after the processing of booting, this first screen is called desktop. Here you can see the picture of desktop. Desktop has two components, icons and taskbar. There are mainly two components which are icons and taskbar. Icons are small pictures on the desktop and taskbar at the bottom of the desktop. Here you can see this is a desktop picture. In this, first is computer icon, then recycle bin icon and some others icons are there. And at the bottom of the screen you can see a blue bar with small icons and start button. This is called taskbar. Now children, our next topic is arranging desktop icons. Now here on the screen you can see this is my desktop and these all are icons on my desktop. Now let's learn. First you have to right click on the desktop and select second option, which is sort by. It has four options: name, size, item type and date modified. You can arrange icon as per your need, and in the view option you can see and change the size of the icons. You can auto arrange icons and you can also hide icons, show desktop icons and show desktop gadgets. And this way you can hide your icons from the desktop. Now you can see our icons are arranged in a proper manner on the desktop. Now here you can see in the taskbar so many icons are there. So these icons we can pin and unpin from the taskbar. Let's see how can we pin. So first click on the start button and whatever program you want to pin in the taskbar, right click on that program. For example, paint, and select this option, pin to taskbar. You can see paint is come in the taskbar. You can see the symbol of paint here. And this, if you want to unpin this, so right click on this and select the option unpin this from the taskbar. So this way you can pin and unpin icons from the taskbar. Now children, our next topic is desktop gadgets. How can we add gadgets on desktop? Gadgets are the small programs that helps us to make our work easy. So first right click on the desktop and select the second last option, which is gadgets. Now this is the gadget window, and these all our gadgets are available in Windows 7 operating system. Currency, picture puzzle, slideshow, calendar, clock, CPU meter, etc. If you want to add gadgets on your desktop, you just have to click on that gadget and drag it to the desktop anywhere you want. I am going to place calendar here, so it will show you the time and it will show you the date. So this way you can also add other gadget. For example, picture puzzle, then just click and drag it to the desktop. This is one type of game. Now just to remove the gadget, you have to click on the red cross button on it. Like this. Okay, so this way you can add gadgets and remove gadgets from your desktop. So children, this is all about our chapter 2's Windows 7. Thank you.